The 4 golden advices of the Prophet Muhammad, may peace be upon him. Share this video with other people so that they can also learn things about Islam thanks to your sharing, and you will have a sanat, and Allah will reward you for that. Did you know that the Prophet gave us advice that if we follow it well, we will have a very happy life? So listen carefully. Advice number 1. Respect 3 people: parents, teachers, people older than you. Advice number 2. Have 3 things in you: honesty, be honest, have faith, have good actions. Advice number 3. Free yourself from 3 things: arrogance, complex of superiority, and denying the truth. Avoid cheating, avoid debt. Advice number 4. Have control over 3 things: control your language, control your anger, and finally, control your soul. Personal desires. I pray to Allah to put us all on the right path